Hello, wonderful, amazing traders. Yeah, I'm here to give you live prediction, nothing but live prediction. Yes, congratulations to us. We just got to 100k followers, 100 followers in our YouTube page. So congratulations to all our amazing followers. We really do appreciate for that, first of all. So if you're not joining the trade, if you're not joining the challenge, you need to go to the Telegram group. Check the bio, bro. Check the bio, so you go to our Telegram group and make some money, some good shit money there. So what up, guys? We're going to jump straight to the charts. Let me give you real price section. I'm going to give you clear analysis on GBPUSD. Let's analyze the market and see what the market is actually doing together. This is a together drill. So stay tuned. If you're not tuned in this video, so if you're a trader, you don't want to follow this video, you need to do yourself a favor so you understand what the market is actually doing on GBPUSD. So stay tuned and let's roll down to my screen together. So guys, this is our analysis. We want to do analysis on GBPUSD now. Everyone, if you're a trader and you want to understand what the market is actually doing, I plead with you, please, with the name of any God you serve, please stay online so that you understand what the market is doing as a trader. So now we are currently on GBPUSD. This is my screen. Follow me, let's learn together, bro. I'll walk you down to the chart. So now we have these monthly bullish engulfing candles printing. If you can see these three bullish engulfing candles actually printing on GBPUSD USD pair. So first of all, we have this first narrative, this first bullish engulfing candle, a monthly bullish engulfing candle. And second of all, my narrative, we have this third bullish engulfing candle. This is actually a fair value candle. So let's wow, they just brought the light. So let's go down to the market actually. So when we see this bullish engulfing candles printing on GBPUSD USD pair, we already know that we're going bullish on GBPUSD. We already know that we're going bullish on GBPUSD pair. So all we wanted to do is to see our confirmation. So let's scroll down to the weekly time frame. Let's see what the weekly time frame will be giving us. Let's see the bias the weekly time frame will actually be giving us on GBPUSD pair. So we saw this strong bullish, those three engulfing candles. We can see a potential lot of bullish engulfing candles printing on GBPUSD to show us that this is a strong bullish trend actually. This is a bullish trend actually. So when we saw this fair value gap that printed on GBPUSD, we saw this fair value gap and this strong demand zone here that GBPUSD has not retested to. So we anticipated that if we see a retest on this fair value gap and this demand zone, that we're going to buy GBPUSD to the upside. So we bought GBPUSD from this place. We milked GBPUSD to the upside. So actually, this automatically this fair value gap has been mitigated. We are not looking at anything again at this point. So we are actually going to the upside to see what GBPUSD is actually doing. So first of all, first narrative, we are not making use of this demand zone again because it has been already used for future purposes. I already did my analysis. It has already been used for the trade. So we broke structure, higher highs, you know the drill, weekly time frame. So we go to the daily time frame. Well, let's automatically see what GBPUSD has been doing. As you see, we sweep this this low. We swept this low here on GBPUSD pair. We swept this low here in confidence that we are going to bullish. Only what we'll be looking for is for buy setup. Only buys. But we are not going to sell GBPUSD. Only buy setup. That is what we're going to be looking for until we see a reversal pattern that will happen on GBPUSD. pair. So after this strong demand zone has been retested and we saw this spike up to the upside, so what we'll be looking for? We'll be looking for another strong demand zone that can hold the market to the upside, guys. Always go for demand zones, so that the demand zone helps in the market a lot. It really helps in the market a lot to push the market to the upside or to the downside. If you're a trader, you want to be looking out for where to place entries. Always seek for demand zone, because the market always respects demand zones. Yes, this is my little experience to you. The market always respects demand zones. Demand zones. The market always respects demand zones. So as we can see, we've seen this demand zone. This demand zone has already given us a very strong spike to the upside. Let's actually go to the 4-hour time frame so that we can see the picture clearly. 4 hours time frame for bigger picture. This is top down analysis. So stick well so you understand what GBPUSD is actually doing. So we've go to our 4-hour time frame. When we come to this 4-hour time frame, we can see that GBPUSD is actually not giving a very long setup. It's not giving a very clear setup on GBPUSD. We've seen this small choppy bullish candles, small choppy bullish candle. Why the market should not be doing like that? We could have been seeing long bullish candle. So I anticipated this is a very strong inducement. We got this only the demand zone that we have here that broke structure to the upside that has never been mitigated was this demand zone that broke structure to higher highs here. Trading view. It was this demand zone. This demand zone was not retested historically. We did not respect this demand zone. We just bled to the upside. And for me, I think that is why GBPUSD is not actually giving us a very strong move. When you go to your small little time frame, you will see that yes, we are making a strong structures there. But let's go back historically. Let's see what GBPUSD actually did before we saw this long bullish move on GBPUSD. We saw this strong range. Actually, we saw this strong range. For we to see this strong range, we know that we anticipated that we're going to see a very strong buys as well. So if GBPUSD if GBPUSD actually wants to continue with the bullish trend, we have to see a very strong range as well. We have to see a very strong consolidation before we see a spike up or a spike down. We have to see change of characters. Well, now what GBPUSD we only saw is this small bullish, this small fair value gap here that was never tested. The market did not test it. The market just bled, blah blah blah, higher highs. Just we did not test it. So if GBPUSD wants to actually start going to the upside, we have to respect structure. That's just the basic. We have to respect structure before we start seeing bullish engulfing candles on GBPUSD. For me, I anticipated this is a very strong inducement here. This is a very strong inducement here. After we tested this place here, we bled to the upside. And when you bring out your Fibonacci from, let's just mark from, this is where the move started. And if we should calculate the pips that the move ended, first of all, before consolidating, it was this move. It was this move here. After this move here, we did not consolidate a very big consolidation, so we will not be anticipating any buy setup on GBPUSD until we see a very strong setup. And only setup we saw here is this demand zone here, that after broken structure, GBPUSD did not come and retest. Was this. So I'm anticipating if GBP can give us a clear narrative by give us a clear narrative, like, guys, you have to understand that the market has to respect other blocks. Market has to respect other blocks before we anticipate going higher highs or higher lows. When we see any change of character from this angle to the other side, then we can anticipate going for long on GBPUSD. This video is actually going long. This is 9 minutes plus, so I have to round it up. So from here, this is where we'll be anticipating our GBPUSD trade, because it's a very clear chart pattern that GBPUSD has not consolidated a very big consolidation. So guys, this is my analysis on GBPUSD. So if you have not joined this this Telegram channel, you have to join my Telegram channel, and you have to subscribe on this YouTube video so that I will know that you're supporting me, you're supporting my trading career as well. So peace out, guys. It's me again, Destiny FX. Always subscribe on our YouTube page so that we can get more followers, so we can know that we are like teaching. Yes, we are teaching. And if we want to anticipate this setup, we should not be looking at this setup on Monday or Tuesday. If you want to be looking at this setup, look at it on Wednesday or Thursday trading. You will see this move. It will, because we trader, we always, like, whenever we buy the market will just spike. Not these little choppy ranges. This is just trash. For me, it's trash. This is just inducement. If you can take out this liquidity, because this is actually liquidity, when you check it, you see that we're seeing, when you check it properly, you see that this is actually inducement from here. This inducement, this liquidity part, because early sellers were just jumping. This is actually an inducement. So we have to respect structure. We have to clear off this inducement and change a trend to higher highs and higher lows. So peace out, guys. Always follow my YouTube channel so that we know that we are actually teaching you guys. Yeah. So